Hi, family. This is your boy Prince GH once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Click on that notification bell so that anytime that I upload a new video, you get it and watch it from me. So on today's reaction, we are just gonna talk about Strongman. He has released another banger, with nightmare. When it comes to Strongman, anytime that I react to Strongman video, like I get confused because of sometimes the kind of words that he put into it. Honam no de gyina hɔ no a na nsɛm a ɔfiri no mu ba no a ɔyɛ adwuma yɛ dɛn ɛnkyɛ ase nkyɛ bi a nsɛm bi wɔ mu a ɔyɛ expecting dɛ ebi a mɛbɛki down ama wɔn a mantena wɔbɛte. So if you hear it, just leave it in the comment section. Okay, kindly subscribe to it for me. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go straight into it. Yɛnkɔ hwehwɛ mu. Strongman, that's nightmare. As I say, nightmare. So without wasting much time, let the intro begin.
Nana, say, hey, what's your name?
Savani Music.
You make loss, I make profit. My favorite trap, I shall be pocket.
See, mon show. See, you make lost, I make profit. See, and German, like they are taking music into school, like they are using music to, to do accounting, like science, like a whole lot of shit. What I said, right now, listen to Strongman. He said something, okay, BB Oha. What I said, also you make lost, I make profits. What I said, best rapper, no, I shall make packets. Then, so Strongman is trying to tell me that my best rapper be, Ken Sack. So Strongman, are you trying to tell me that my best rapper Sack, he did your pocket? Strongman, you for be very careful. Let's go back and let's listen to the words again, okay?
What's your name?
Savani Music.
You make loss, I make profit. My favorite trap, I shall be pocket. You save your money in your piggy banks. I save my rap in my coffers. Buy my bass on my chain Nike wear. Nigga got me feeling like a nightmare. We are soft and try, I'm a hardware. Still looking fly in my nightwear. The hardware, homie, I pick. My brain when the boy near sick. My sabo fra one time in the way, my trust me, homie, I spit.
My bread and mumbo. Asma, you see, and when asma mechanic. Asma mechanic. Mr. Strongman and some do on my own. Oh, yeah, let's go back. Wait.
Man, we are soft and try, I'm a hardware. Still looking fly in my nightwear. The hardware, homie, I pick. My brain when the boy near sick. My sabo fra one time in the way, my trust me, homie, I spit.
Okay, my brand boy no yes sick. My esa akwala mentan the way so they be I spit. Hey, first na yam of man na tired to 25. Like when you try to spit too much, they will tell you that maybe you have to take the word because so suma be there abeshe wuyem atase. Mbona wa does nti say no so suma dra na be there obowu atase. This is what Strongman is trying to tell us here. See, on ta enim so suma juice but he dey spit, which is bars atase. Unless you are not getting what I'm trying to say. See, so first, if me side, if like you have to do interview too much, like when you try to spit too much around, and say, what is wrong with you? Like when was the last time you tried to take Indian, the Wema, the Wema medicine or something like that? As I say, okay, so only thing I started to feed them, and that's what Strongman is trying to tell us here. They take the Wema medicine, but they tried, Charlie.
When you feeling like you wanna beef me, that be the sign of your end time. But when you get a chance to beef me, do your best, there won't be a next time. Save the dates.
Say yeah, why been there? If they can't beef me, that is going to be your end time. But after the end time, if you save the date, because one day you go use that date to tell your children, you go use some tell your pickets that hey, we get one boy, be name be Strongman. The boy be very serious. I go beef a town where the boy it's me. So right now I don't know Strongman the way he rap in a good way you get beef for year. We don't know unless we go into it deeper. You understand? So let's go straight to it.
Chance here, we're gonna rap and you know, fan quas, I'm free me page. 2 years back, I was feeling like I was a pet. Now the lion is out the cage. My lines near sweet, I'm to decay. My bars are sound, then I'll be detained. Talk shit when you off the page, nigga cut the fake. I'm trying to make history. National cake doesn't mean pastry. Venture now you go see your misery. Tell me one nigga will go fit me. Yo, I work my ass out, so now they cash out.
You know, Strongman was trying to tell us that, you see, when it comes to Ghanaian artists, like when they are trying to beef other, they don't go straight, physical, just social media, one man walk at us. So medical Strongman is trying to tell us that, see, if you come off from our page there, if you not come to the and talk, remember come because I say and find by channel page on at us. If you want like come off for there, make you not come there and talk shit for my page. If you say it be rare, can't make you battle with about can't make you battle, so say I go end your career. So say like I go make you save the day too as well. At I say, Charlie Strongman, what how far you are?
Why you name me Hosan, my powerful? Don't throw stones, you living in glass house. Me punching the back with me, my blackout on hine. Be yo, pabine, be ha, my june, my yamo, that june. Be yo, sahine, Mosa, bejene, be rap, pabine. Obey me so I am found near Tadri.
Hi. Sorry. Also say obey me so I am found near Tadri. My guy, if your something be small, be say still I for go chill attack you. That be. If you say you be strong, I be strong. As I say, I because some macho men we dey make TikTok, but be sure be on Jimmy though. But the experience where you get, if you beat the macho man where you train like 6 years or 5 years, or they see some before, and they say obey and found one attack you, Charlie. Says the big business in the year. At I say, so why don't so or what awesome? Let's say, I'm found the why don't so, or will be one why don't so 2 months in the year. At I say, but you do man, need to so but all day, or 2 minutes in the year, my girl, all day, will feel all right. At I say, them the strong one up pack chance. So what do you say? This guy in rapping, you don't understand. That's why I said, I met someone me reacted to it. Oh, yeah, that's it. But still, we have to do it because we love it and we have to do it for you people. You understand? He's trying to tell us that so Bema Swa and found on the Atadri.
Boy, see, I could have found the budget. Yes, you giant pencil or carry. On Honogari, so sorry, a day. I just struck it. Obi become a champagne, then you pop it. I just say, Medrian net profit. Your penanki, you could a cafe. Open bro.
Hi. So your penda and consign can make it a nice cafe. So your penda. And can me or say and can make the next coffee. And on next coffee, so so if you are trying to say we soon separate you there, when like it has left small for us to write exams or something like that, and you are just that no, this time that we push you there, this time when I go to library or prep and I'm going to learn, I know I'll feel lazy to sleep or something like that. You need to take in coffee, that will make you be active. On a woman, we what the man to my it to be as I said, say Strongman, Charlie, this boy, you're young Kwechi.
The Fautini budget. Yes, you giant pencil or carry. On Honogari, so sorry, a day. I just struck it. Obi become a champagne, then you pop it. I just say, Medrian net profit. Your penanki, you could a cafe. Open bro for press 1. The rap up a 3D press 2.
Talope bro for press 1, MTN, I am MTN. If somebody try to, if you are trying to call MTN or any network service, I don't know. I use MTN. So if you are trying to call MTN office for some verification or something like that, when you call them, in based on one, you're going to lie on that you don't have core credit in the MTN account, so recharge. And I say me 1, another me 2. So person will tell bro for me 2. So person will catch 3 and me.
Now to me extra customer care will direct you to a suit. Kai night too good. Nightmare. 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 Nightmare.
Nightmare, yeah, Croatia, yeah, bo. Medical, you miss medical. Oh, I don't know whether whether this beef they go give medical or something like that. Me, I don't know. Strong man, you dey scare whom you dey scare. You be strong, so you should be bold. If you have to be bold and challenge for mention the name because right now we don't know who you dey scare, like who you dey scare am. As I say, you won't be a better scare.
Crochia, 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 Mebo, Crochia, 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 Mebo, Crochia, Crochia, Crochia. I can't tell for me crash shame. By 17 years, na me cry fame. Obinyi na know na me cry cane. Bad verse me watch out, but me cry aim. 8 years back, Ghana rocks with the video. Up to date, still me control me ego. Me a fly chain eagle. Asante my house, I be the new go. Shade where me emu aminti. Me punch back who I won't fit. So what's one kuti a boy and fan for how na me nya mercy o menche.
So what's we could see about men fan for how me mercy, maybe the mention. Charlie, I tell you, another Solomon Charlie. If you take crossing lane, the way you go break your leg, I hope you get it. It's as strong one, okay? I say, man, fan but for her. No, ye mercy. No, I chum. Only don't chum. Santa some strong one, okay? You now. My man, quit in the punch lines in the year. They come mountain.
Me punch back who I won't fit. So what's one kuti a boy and fan for how na me nya mercy o menche. Brakweku, a tropic pen, no aban boafu. Kakeku, what I did match and show a coma too. Hey, nightmare.
Brakweku, it's me tropic pen in my bang. Now come too. Brakweku, and be dimichi. And yes, sir. Oh, Charlie. My blood, oh, the young going.
Nightmare. Nightmare. Crochia. 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 Crochia.
All right. Strong man, nightmare. Also, on your mercy. Na and for we could tell him for harmony. And yes, on chum. As I say, on chum, obey then, be proud. Now, I'm coming on. I was starting BB day now, or your own body. Was that so made you may very act to it, or so made you make a coffee money you whom go far. And you will not come home. The strong man, you are strong. You should have been able to be strong. Then mention names. This rap, we are waiting for a reply. Obia was a good say in Nura, until my command and answer the Nezibaba or the Neziba Nibum Obia. Strong man, Ozen, Atase. So please, this one is coming from strong man. He said nightmare. Yes, started me catch him. The strong man Obia. Nunjumano or strong. Punch no ear strong. It is an someone yen na bia met. Oh, you become I'm confused. No matter it say you might say Betty, it gave me. What I say, I'm there for you and you are there too for me. Maybe I Betty, it gave me. It says here. Just leave it in the comment section. Let's discuss about it. As I say, now, a pedal catch the important us they could change Mama fan ben. Now the pen now on your mercy, our bedroom, that be. You just slow Mutali or Balotelli. Be print straight. So this one is coming from strong man. Nightmare. It's your boy Prince G8. You know how we do it. You can't just watch the video just like this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to it. Click on that notification dumbbell. Leave comments. Like it, share it for me, so that anytime I upload a new video, you get it and watch it for me. Okay, let's grow this channel together. Love you. I'm done.